po guys, andito kami andito kami ngayon sa Street of Paris. We are here at the Street of Paris.
The streets of Paris. As you can see, Baku is the Paris of the East. You can see the stores right here. It's like a Paris vibes or something.
Show the buildings.
So if I were you, come visit Baku. It's a nice place.
Yeah.
Weather is nice. It's freezing out here. All right.
So bro, what can you say about the culture, the food, Baku, Azerbaijan?
The food is great, right?
Food is-
They have on tomatoes. They have
They serve us a lot of tomatoes.
they
How
have,
about the
Pomegranate, they're about national fruit. Pomegranate.
pomegranate? Is the national fruit of
Yes.
Azerbaijan.
I
And
like hearing
how about the cultures? How do people interact with the guests, with the VIP?
As I noticed, the people here are kind of strict. It's not like in Georgia. The people are friendly and nice. But here, maybe the disparity of the religion. We're on Muslim country.
Yes.
The ladies or the ladies and men, I think it's not kind of friendly. But it's nice. At least you can see some of the good places here in Baku. And I really love the weather right now.
So,
The mountains. We went to the mountains.
what can you say
Yesterday.
about the scenery of this the whole Baku, Azerbaijan, the whole places that you have invested for the past few days?
For the past few days, what I really gained is my weight. Like 2 kilos. Food are really nice, especially you should try the kutab. Yeah, it's a local delicacy with herbs and spices, and it's like wrapped along on the side. You should try it, guys.
So, how about what can you say about the locals here? How they interact with the guests, to the tourists in this country?
The locals are kind of assholes, but some of them are really nice. Only the tourists. You can speak with my friend right here. Hey, Mr. Hussein.
Hello, bro. Can you give some thoughts, like some information about what is Baku, what is Azerbaijan?
Actually, Baku just opened the tourism since 2016, I think. But before that, they're not interested in tourist business because their economy is based on oil and gas. It's a not famous country in exporting gas and oil, but they have enough resources to settle their needs. But here in Baku, most of the locals are little snobbish.
Yeah, you mean conservatives or
Yeah,
like that?
it's like that.
So,
I think because of this language barrier.
language barrier, yeah.
Yeah.
What's the main source of the economy here?
Yeah, they say it's oil and gas.
So they don't need us, right? They don't need tourists,
You don't need tourists, right?
isn't it?
Maybe, but as I said, no, last 2016 they opened the country for tourism because they wanted to imitate Dubai.
And we heard that the plane towers are just constructed at 2016, right?
Yeah. After that, tourism boom.
What do you mean by boom? Explode or something?
What do you mean? Can you clarify about that?
It means that tourism from that date becomes famous.
Yeah.
In Baku, especially here, no? This is the center of Azerbaijan, Baku.
So,
It is the capital.
So as we walk at the streets of Baku right now,
Yeah.
what is your
So the
feeling
streets.
at the moment?
The streets eh.
Actually, it's like in Baguio.
Parang
No, they say that this is
Paris of the East.
Paris of the East. Paris of the Galilee.
to the street of Baku here in Holiday Inn Hotel, and with the nearest building is the BB Diamond, and as you can see here, guys,
Go, my friend.
there's a lot of
Delicacies that you are.
thief. There's a lot of tourist thief here.
What is that, bro?
So, Mr. Jose,